Howdy everybody, good morning. Today is Friday, June the 19th, 2020. This morning we got up, we went to a yard sale. We could only find one, so we're gonna save that footage and roll it into tomorrow's footage for yard sales, because tomorrow's Saturday and fingers crossed there's gonna be some sales, so we're just gonna save that footage for then. Today we got some orders going out on eBay. We're gonna pack up and show y'all them and how we ship items, so that's gonna be the gist of today's video. We got some listings done yesterday. We're gonna get in here and knock out some more today.
Still haven't caught the rat.
Nope, rat's still in here.
I'm about to just leave him in the wall.
Haven't seen some more shine from him, so I'm just gonna clog up them holes and set the trap, leave the trap setting out and roll tide. So we will jump into this. Let's get today going, show y'all what's sold, show you how we ship it. Y'all come on. Alrighty guys and gals, so today's video we're gonna be slightly different. Today we're gonna show you the stuff that's sold, and we're gonna pack up the items that we sold so you can see some shipping. So we sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items yesterday. So let's go over them real quick. We got a Minolta camera. It's on E1. Listen, this thing right here is huge money. If y'all ever see this camera, no matter the cost, buy it. Don't ever buy this camera. This thing right here is a Minolta 5000. Yep, 5000.
That one's for parts.
And it's for parts because it's kind of rough. See, like that right there, broke. Anyhow, this sold for a total $5.59. That's $5.59, not $559. $5.59 plus shipping. Getting rich, $1 at a time. Now in L4A we sold a Durango hat. This right here, Durango blue and white hat, and made by Richardson, and this sold for $12.80 plus shipping. Now we got to get a dancing clown. It's my jewelry box. Y'all remember seeing this thing? That little crazy guy dances around in there. That's cool. But sold this thing for $19.25 plus shipping. Got to get some MLK cards. These right here, they're Focus Martin Luther King cards. Like there's 16 of them, I think, and then they got like a front on them. I've been to the mountaintop, and then the back says basically about the card. These are from 1992. These sold for $12.25 plus shipping. Now this next sale, you remembered yesterday I was talking about those NASCARs and taking them out the box, trying to entice people. I did put in the brand is, you know, Winner Circle. I put that in the brand. I just kind of left it out the title, but it worked. So we sold this car right here. This is number 88. It's a
Dale Jarrett
1998 Ford Taurus, made in 1999 by Hasbro. It is a Winner Circle car. Okay, I did disclose it was a Winner Circle car. I just didn't put it in the title. Took it out the box, and this sold for $22.50 plus shipping. So maybe that'll work out pretty well. I'm happy with that sale. So here's our orders going out. We're gonna get these things packed up. I'm gonna show you how I pack each item, and we're gonna get them shipped out. Alrighty guys and gals, so we got all our shipping stuff set up, ready to go. I just did this for ease for this video. Normally we don't prep the boxes under each item, but these cards, they're in a plastic case. I mean, so they just go down into a bubble mailer, just like this. Ain't gotta be nothing special. And then what we do is we just write on here MLK, just so we know what it is. And throw it up here on the scale, 4 ounces. Throw it over there and done with that one. Okay, then we move on to the next thing. This right here is an 864 box. I use this one more than any other box for the type of items I sell. This is a good box to have in stock. I ordered mine through Supply Hut or the Boxery on eBay, and they're light boxes and they do the job just fine. So for this car, I'm just gonna put just a little bit of paper down in here, and then the card's going in just like that.
Your card.
Gotta throw a thank you card down in it. See, I'm gonna be pushing a pound on this, so I want my packing to be minimal. So I turn the car up on its side. Okay, that's going to prevent it from going around too much. And then we'll just push a little bit of paper around it. Just like that. And just seal it up. I do use 3-inch tape. So it's instead of 2 inches wide, it's 3 inches wide. And I love it. Usually just one strip across like that's all I do for most packages. So this should be right at a pound. So it's right at a pound. Y'all see that? So we're good to go on that. Hats. We usually bag up like most little things. Like you see this hat. We got it bagged up here. Just moisture protected. We use these Walmart brand twist tie bags. Just storage bags. And we use an impulse sealer. See this here? So you put the thing in the bag, put it in here, push that down, heats it up, seals it, and it's good. However, I will tell you, when you use these cheap bags like this, okay? I mean, these things are like $2 a piece. See how it melts the cheap bags onto it? So you have to take a Scotty peeler or a fingernail, get it hot, and then just kind of do this right here. See that? Just to remove the gunk on it. Like that right there. God, it's hot. Just do that right there. Get it hot with the thing. And then take your Scotty peeler and run down it. And remove all that stuff. You'll have to do that probably every 50 seals or so. There's no sense in having to change this out. And then about every 500 seals, you may have to change out this strip. We've done, well, probably over 500 seals. And I haven't changed mine yet. Works really well. So this box is a 884, right?
Mm-hmm.
884. Kind of on the smaller side for a hat, but it works. See? Fits down in there perfectly. And seal it up. Because you don't want your hats to get crushed in a bubble mallet. Right there's good. Weigh it. 7 ounces. When you print your postage on eBay, you print it online, okay? Don't go to the post office. You can mail first class packages up to 1 pound. Anything over a pound's got to be priority. So try to keep your weights under a pound if you can. This camera, it's heavy, so it's going priority. And I don't want to put it down into a bubble mailer like a padded flat rate. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm using this 776 box. You get
Box
these
4.
You get these boxes from the post office for free. Order them online. But this right here, if you got a small, heavy item, like this will probably be over 2 pounds when it's packed. Get on pirateship.com and you can go cubic, which is cheaper than just sending it just straight priority. It goes off of box size and weight rather than just weight. The box size is the main component. So you get a small box like this, you can get it cubic, no problem. But for this camera, what we're going to do, I'm just going to take some of this white paper I got here. Go down in there. Take just a little bit of bubble. And this thank you card. We're just going to roll it up with some bubble wrap. And shove it down in that box like that. Another piece of paper over the top just to keep it from moving around. Seal that puppy up. 112.
We were way up.
So, camera 1.12. The Put it over there. Now this dancing clown, it's over a pound, so I'm gonna use the free priority mailboxes so I don't gotta use my brown boxes I have to pay for.
And that's a shoe box, by the way.
Yep, this is the shoe box. And you can't mail these no other way but priority mail. So if you got an item and it's only 8 ounces, you don't want to put it in this box and then try to send it first class. So what we're going to do with this, just sit it here, roll it up with some more bubble wrap. We'll throw a little tape on here. Okay. Now that paper I just wadded up down there in the bottom to create a cushion. Y'all see that down in there? Now this clown, we got him sitting down in here, and we're gonna pad up the bottom. Just folding this up a little bit. Now we're just gonna shove it straight down in that box like that. Now we're gonna see how it's kind of loose in there, loosey-goosey, like that. Take some of this paper, and we're just gonna kind of make a nest around it, just one layer. Okay. So see how we made a nest around it with the paper, and that's gonna keep it tied in there and not move. So now what we're gonna do is I got a resizing tool, okay? Because we're gonna try to make this go cubic as well. So instead of having to void fill all this box, I'm gonna make the box shorter. So to do that, we got this tool right here. It's just a box resizer. It's got a score, and basically you'll stick it on there. Okay, undo this nut right here so this slides. Stick it on here and measure down to where you want it. So we want it about right there. Tighten down that nut so it don't slide again, and then just kind of go around the box. And see, it makes some perforations. Now we grab our box cutter, and this has got a scoring tool on it too. See that? But you have to freehand it, and for these little tight spots it's hard to do. So now you just take it from where you perforated it and cut the box up. On all 4 corners. Okay? So we don't need these flaps on there. So we can cut them off a little bit. Okay? And then we don't need both of these on there, so we'll cut that off. And we'll cut this one back right there. Okay, and that'll take a little bit of weight off. Take just a little more paper to the top of it here. Okay, just kind of cushion the top of it. Down, 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 and down. See that right there? And then we just tape it up normally. Right there's all I'm gonna do to it. 1.7. Okay, now that we cut this box down, we got to remeasure it. So take your measuring tape, 10 inch, see that? 10 by 7.5 by 5.5. So 10, 7.5, 5.5. And then when we print our labels off, our labels will stick right on top of where we wrote on them. So hopefully you may have learned a little bit of something there. I don't know. But that's how we ship most items. I mean, just throw it in a box. come back to y'all here in a minute. Alrighty, guys and gals, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, maybe learned a little bit of something. Basically that's, shipping, you know, everybody does it different. But if you're brand new to eBay, maybe you can take a piece of this, a piece of somebody else's you've seen maybe, and put them together with your own, and you'll have it down pat. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for us.
If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button as well as the notification bell.
We greatly appreciate it, and all of you guys and gals that keep coming back and watching us, y'all mean the world to us. And tomorrow is yard sale day, hopefully, so come back and check that out then. And today is my brother's birthday, so happy birthday. We love you. And
you're getting old.
And we'll see all you guys and gals tomorrow. Bye, y'all.